Hey everyone, Spy Master Sly here. Quick video to help all of you who are setting up an OBS. I love the move from slobs to obs because I was able to do a lot of really cool things like this. I know, amazing, right? An angled window capture? No way! You can also do this with games, and you can do this with your chat, and I'm going to show you how. I love the look of angled videos and chat when pulling things up on my stream, and in OBS, it's super easy. So let me show you how this looks. We're going to hop into my BRB screen. When I hop into my BRB screen, you can see that as I type into the chat, whee, it pops up and it has a slight angle to it. It looks clean, it looks professional, and it isn't straight on, so it's taking up less space on your screen. I'm going to teach you how we can get this to work in your stream today. This is OBS, and there are thousands of me. Thousands and thousands and thousands of Slys. But for real, you can see right now the chat on the side is straight on. There's no angle to it. So I'm going to show you how we can get that to work. First, we know that our chat is a browser source. So here we can click on our chat browser source in our list of sources, and we're going to look for, oh, look, it's very easy. There's two buttons, properties and filters. We're going to hop into filters. In filters, it pops up with a little window that looks like this, audio filters and effect filters. The one thing that we really want to look at is effect filters. We're going to press that plus button right here. And in the plus button, we're going to go to 3D transform. 3D transform, you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to keep it the same for now. First thing we want to change is the camera to perspective. So right now it's on orthographic, change it to perspective. In here, we can adjust the way that it looks. So you can change the position of it. You can make it move in different ways. I'm going to leave position the same. You can always fix them at a later time and adjust them to how you want. If I can scroll down, here we go. And I'm going to go to rotation. Now you can do so many things, but take a look at this. Whee! You can make it look like it's a Star Wars movie. You can change if we want it angled a different way. Perhaps your chat is on the right side where I am right now. Or how I like to do it, you can roll. You can even have it rolling upside down for all you want, right? Yeah, etc. You can change it back and forth. So which angle do you want it to be on? Do you want it right? Do you want it left? This is what you're going to change. So your rotation is where you really want to pay attention. Now scale, you can make it wider, you can make it skinnier. I like to leave it exactly at 100%. I think it just looks better that way, but it's up to you how you want to adjust it, what you want it to look like. So remember, 3D transform, then we go to camera perspective, and we scroll on down to rotation, and here pitch, yaw, roll. You choose how you want your chat to look or how you want your video to look. And that's all. Super simple, right? Go to filters, 3D transform, perspective, rotation, and then you can adjust it from there. And remember, you can do this with window capture, game capture, chat capture, you name it. There are no limits in OBS. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you want to talk to me, if you have any questions, make sure to check me out on Twitter, YouTube, or on Twitch. I'll see you all again soon. Spy Master, out.